Well, we've watched pavers in the neighborhood for 6 years, right? We've kind of looked at the different views, and one of the things we wanted something that really would last and be hopefully low maintenance and complement the house. What we had before was concrete, and we were never happy because it wasn't pitched in the right way, so we had a lot of low-lying areas, always collected dirt. I'd power wash it, but it wouldn't last long, and so it was just kind of a 6-year frustration. We said, let's finally do it and make something that really looks good and has a long-term, high-quality, minimal maintenance. Well, first of all, our experience with the patio is we've had that sealed every 2 years, as you know, and we know it protects it. It gives it a newer look, as opposed to, gosh, that looks kind of worn from the sun. But we know it protects it. So because of that experience, and we knew that's the right thing to do in terms of this kind of investment, and it's a relatively easy decision. If you're going to put something like this in, you want to take care of it and make sure it's protected from the elements.